When I give my birds baths, I use this. From mist. I usually don't spray parasite on eggs, so. Cleans the cage nice too. The teals like this more so. But everyone gets it. Gets them to start cleaning too. Back to this cage. You can see my peaches like that. My teals love their baths. Gets them in condition too. Which I don't need none of them in condition because I'm not feeding anytime soon. There's little baby. My Lutino male. The only female that's in this cage. And I do not clip my birds. They're meant to fly. Some of these are clipped because I brought them out here and I don't want them flying out. If they fly out, they have the whole world to fly to, and I don't want that. Once they go back, they go back. No, Mio, he can't even fly. Scaredy Pants is next to him. That's one of the babies. So is their baby behind him too. My Lutino cockatiel. Cola. Cricket. Another baby. The splash behind the baby. And at the top we have Lemmy, Blizzard, and Banjo. And Softy.